Today, I'll show you how to easily change the background of a passport-size photo in just a few steps. 1. Open your browser and search for Remove.bg. This is the homepage of the site. It offers many options, but I'll focus on how to quickly change a background. 2. Click on the Upload button and upload your photo. Once uploaded, you can erase parts of the background or apply different effects. 3. For background changes, click on the Background option. You'll see a variety of informal backgrounds. But for a formal look, select the Color option. Choose the color you need. For example, I'll select a blue background here. If you want the photo in HD quality, you'll need to sign up. However, I'll choose the normal quality for now and click Download. That's it. It's quick, easy, and completely free to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative content.